That's what you get for not getting tires. Hey Aaron, can we get some commentator on that?
Hey, Richie's little go-kart moving, man.
Hey, he won the 8 by a quarter mile.
What happened, Jace?
Richie little go-kart moving.
Oh, okay, his little go-kart. All right. What happened? I think Richie slept.
Richie didn't even get the.
Richie tried to build boost.
He didn't get to build no boost.
Richie went to build boost, then stopped, then had to do.
Well, I think Richie tried to get on his launch control and he didn't have time. That's what happened.
All right, so we need to cuss that dude out when he gets back.
Yeah, we need to rerun that.
Okay, bet. Hey, so what's the verdict here?
Yeah, he got
Rerun?
He got left.
Is that what you're thinking? Rerun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think he was trying to build boost.
then,
do this, that.
What do you have to say about that one?
The usual.
Oh shit, I can't see.
Ready? I'm gonna race all three of them. Damn, turn the light down.
What in the space gate?
Hey, tell Jesus move, bro. Tell him move. He made us look bad.
Wait your turn.
Tell him to move, bro.
Wait your turn. Nigga got Scat killer. I'm gonna wipe him. You gonna say kill R.
Wipe this shit off.
Kill. Hey. Till I lose the one and they coming off.
Hey, you spraying right now?
Spraying?
Hey, hold on.
Hell yeah, are you spraying?
Let me
Hey, put the truck. Hey, put the truck.
Ain't no nitrous on the BMW. Ain't no nitrous on the BMW.
Oh shit. Hey, I stole like 4 of them. The other day, I ain't about to lie. We used to go block the road and everything.
And what we need to do, I'll get some calls from work for my best
How do you
on.
feel about his sister spun?
He making us look bad.
Hold on, say it again for the camera.
He making us look bad, man.
Hey, bro. I got your nitrous right here, bro.
So how you feel? I want to race somebody.
So how you feel about this fuckery?
We need to get Jesus out of this car. I just be the Fiat. We need to take Jesus and put him on the curb and take his keys, throw him in the ditch.
All right, hold on.
He done for the night. Hey, we're in.
What in the Josh?
You gotta have minimum 350 horsepower to do that. What you think you got? A minimum. Read. A minimum. You only got 200. Put the words on the screen. Put them on the screen. A minimum of 350 horsepower.
Darren, you have only 200.
Exactly.
So you can't come back.
I didn't even graduate.
Oh, you did.
I
I
went to Husband City
dropped out
Schools.
of kindergarten.
Husband City School don't teach nothing. Remember, kid, listen.
Well, Bob Jones don't teach nothing.
Columbus didn't discover nothing.
He ain't wrong about that.
Whitney Houston should have stayed on the back of the bus. And Lil Wayne, you know what he said, my president black, my Lambo blue, that was Jay-Z. Exactly.
This man said.
When you a BMW owner, you had to have these essentials. Bag of tools, no 10mm socket.
Hold on.
All 12.
Jump cables. The cone.
Hey, you finna race power, right?
And everything.
And my bottle's still in the truck.
Go get him. So I'm gonna wipe this off, okay?
No!
Oh, hell no. Oh, better go die. Cap sauce. Hold on. So as y'all can see there. There you go. I ain't leaving. I'm gonna sit here. Why they let him go?
Did you see?
Oh, he gonna give him the move.
No move, hell no, we run that shit hands up. I got this shit. Hold the fuck up. Ain't no fucking move. I'll bring y'all ass on that.
So if we're back at the same spot with a dead possum on the side of the road. I forgot what the yeah, you can see it. That's the dead possum. Anyway, dead possum right there. That's the start. Oh, that's foul. So Jesse, what you have to say about that?
It's what was expected. I'm telling you. Broke boy racing right there all day, every day.
What about Jesus?
We're not talking about him. He made me mad all day today. Spinning in crowd.
Oh shit.
How you spin with a car full of people? That's extra weight. That's traction, my boy. Traction.
What the fuck? We got some niggatry going down on the other side that I can't even see.
See y'all later.
I'm glad you stopped.
Drive up to about 4,500, dump your clutch, and like as soon as you dump your clutch, jump your brake.
No better.
You rev that bitch to 9K and you just dump the fucking clutch. And it's gonna be fine.
Hey pal, this your old car, ain't it?
Which?
Oh, you back in this one I said?
I've never practiced doing it. That's like because I didn't want to burn my tires off.
Hey, nah, bro.
You see what happened here? Let me tell you. Look, look, look. Come close, come close.
So it's normal, it's gonna jump up.
Come close, come close. You see this shit? You see this shit? It's sticky. Very sticky. Okay? There. Come back up. Come back up.
Gas to keep it around.
I don't know what happened here, but they finna lose to a BMW. And,
Nigga.
and that's all I got to say. Wait, what?
Oh, I can't say that.
Yeah, you gotta edit that out.
I did the shit up. God damn it. I stopped recording, guys. I shouldn't have. I'm trying to teach him how to do that now.
Here, y'all got this side. I'll make sure you don't put this one.
You gotta get it real high.
right side. You're on the left side.
You got my.
Hey.
Oh shit! Wrong way.
Oh, y'all used to piss over that work.
Oh, that's about. Oh, I mean, that ain't good, but
Coming in a little too high power.
dang, that light actually does help a lot.
See, you came in at a little too high power. Okay? You need to just go slow.
Bro, why don't he just try to watch it? The tires are stinky.
The tires are stinky. He missed the gear. You came in too low power. Put it in reverse, Tad. When the last time you drove a stick?
Did he say even with it or he
Okay, I'm back on the camera. Put it back, okay? Come meet my new friends. Hey, come meet my new friends. You wanna be on camera?
What's up? How you doing?
See, this is my friend John. This is
Eric, what's up?
No, this is LeBron.
LeBron.
And this Stephen Curry. And oh, you don't wanna be on camera? Okay, yeah, that's Jonathan. That's it. Oh, you wanna meet my friend right here? This MC Hammer, you know. Shut up, go along with it.
Can't twist it.
Son.
Hey, go ahead and pull up here. I'm gonna kick the dirt off for him and let him drive.
Okay.
So, are we ready, money? Are we running for 20?
Nigga, line your ass up.
Hey, we'll bet money on it. You let me drive this motherfucker.
Hey! Speed won't do it! Hey, back up!
Jesse got him though. Y'all might want to get behind me.
Oh, trust me, I am.
Oh, that's why we're walking this way.
Yeah, go ahead and spin them tires there, buddy.
All right, Uncle Richard.
Let me see what you got. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, just a little bit more. Right there. Hey, I'm recording, so I'm gonna do a hand drop. Y'all good with that? All right, you ready? You ready?
Don't be an asshole, pal.
All right, y'all. Well, that concludes tonight's A bunch of street races. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Should have some good content. I'm working on getting everything settled so I can be consistently uploading more, so I do apologize for that, but like I said, we're back. Oh god, that's bright as hell. I don't know if you guys can see me, but we're working on being able to consistently upload more and going from there. So I think Jesse's racing SGI. I wonder how close he's gonna be. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Greatly appreciate you guys' support. If you like the channel, go ahead, subscribe, like the videos up so more people can see this stuff, because it's pretty fun, and I'm trying to get a lot more content out. So probably gonna have a couple different things coming in the future. So, but I hope you guys enjoy, and with that, peace out. Richie out.